guys, sama ko yung kaibigan ko at ang anak. Kumain po kami sa Manam Restaurant. And then, yan, kita nyo naman, di nawawala ang pinakbit and pansit and of course, yung nilagang baka. Yeah. So, we're so happy because dahil gutom na kami and then we're ready to eat. So, gusto ko sa Manam Restaurant is yung nilagang baka and pinakbit and barbecue. Lahat na siguro aming food. Because mahilig ako sa vegetables, so yan. And I like nilagang baka also and ubi shake. I love ubi shake, everyone. Masarap talaga ang ubi shake. Thank you for watching.